Good morning, everyone. This is my day 17 of reading 2 chapters from the Word of God. This morning I have read from the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 9 and 10. So let us have a look together a few things from these 2 chapters this morning. In 2 Corinthians chapter 9 is written about the generosity, cheerful giving in another word. So in 2 Corinthians chapter 9, Paul was talking about the generosity. He reminded them that giving others cheerfully with a kind heart was pleasing to God. He also talks with them about God reward others that give of themselves in abundance to other Christians. So in second epistle to the Christian express his bragging about generosity of the Corinthians to the people in Macedonia. So therefore at the end of this chapter, Paul expressing that how important the gifts collected for the people in Macedonia would be, and their cheerful giving would serve as motivation to the recipients how true Christians were to treat one another. The saints of Macedonia would give thanks to God for receiving this blessing, and Paul also give thanks to God for providing and making this transaction possible. So these are the points from this 2 Corinthians chapter 9. So now let's have a look from chapter 10. From chapter 10 is Paul's defense of his ministry for Christ. Paul's defense of his ministry for Christ. Wow. In 2 Corinthians chapter 10 is talking about the Paul defending his character to the people of Corinth. People are saying that Paul's leaders are harsh and powerful, yet his outward appearance was very meek and mild, nothing worth saying. But Paul said to them that he only boasted in the power of the Lord. He only boasted in the power of the Lord. And he only goes where the Lord has directed him to go. That is how he ended up in the city of Corinth. God directed him to go to this place where there were non-believers. He came there to preach the word of God and boast of the grace and glory. It's amazing. He's not boasted with his qualification, with his body, physical, outward appearance. He is boasted with the word of God, where God has directed him to go. In that place he went and preached the gospel. So Paul was explaining about all these things. So when the Spirit of the Lord is with us, we can do anything. That's why Paul was saying all these things. And then other believers, non-believers, they are talking about Paul's. is milk and milk, wheat and milk, milk and milk. So this is the things from these two chapters. So guys, these are the points from these two chapters. I hope you may understand a few things from these two chapters. So this morning, through this few encouraging words, I would like to nominate one of my friends, Brother Adu, to take up this challenge. Thank you for watching. See you later. Thank you for everyone.